Today I'll be showing you how to do IP subnetting with this example, and you'll be 100% certified, hopefully. Okay, prerequisites. We need to understand IP, CIDR, and binary. This is an IP address, /26 is the CIDR. Also can be rereading as 255.255.255.192. IPv4 has 32 bits, 8 bits means 1 octet, and is equal to 255 in decimal. And what's in the brackets means the weight of the bits. So CIDR. Here we'll be exploring the CIDR table. /25 is 128, 26 is 128 plus 64, which is 192, and so on, so on. And this right here is rewritten in binary. So /25 is 1, /26 1, and so on, so on. Steps. Segment and translate the IP address to binary. Then we will translate the CIDR to binary, and then we get the wildcard, and we are going to translate it to decimal instead of binary. So IP and CIDR to binary and wildcard to decimal. Then we do a logical AND using the IP and the CIDR, and we're going to get the network and broadcast. Easy as that. Okay. First, we'll segment and translate the IP address to binary. 165.245.12.88. So we need to find where is the full octet and the thing that we need to translate it. So we know that /26 has 3 full octets. So we know that in the last octet is the rest of the network. So we need to translate the last octet to binary. So that 88 means 01011000. And now we're going to translate the CIDR to binary. /26, or that 192, is equal to 1100 and 0000. Along with that, we get the wildcard, which is the opposite of the CIDR. And we will translate this in the opposite way, which is from binary to decimal. That's 63. Now we make a logical AND using the IP and the CIDR. There we go. And the AND is that 64. So we get the network address using the first 3 octets plus the AND, which is 165.245.12.64. Next, we get the wildcard, which is, of course, the opposite of the CIDR. And then we add the network address plus the wildcard and gives us the broadcast address. So recap, we get the example, we translate the IP address, the CIDR, we compare them and get a logical AND, and we translate the AND to decimal, and we get the network address. Then we get the wildcard and add the wildcard plus the network address and gives us the broadcast address. Then we get the usable ranges, which is the last part. The first usable range is the network address plus 1. The last usable IP is the broadcast minus 1. Easy. Now, how many subnets and hosts? Here we use the CIDR, and it's fairly easy, straightforward. We use the formulas, which is subnets, how many segments of IP addresses we can get, just plug it in. It's 4. And how many hosts, how many machines in those segments we can have? 62. And that's it. Here are the resources. Thank you.